Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When I put b over 3 gone here, we have b over 3 minus b over 3. We have 0. Cosine of b over 3, we have 1 over 2. 1 minus 1 over 2, we have positive in here. So this one you got 0. That means we need to consider about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. So on the left, this one, if we put this one gone here, we have the negative number. So this one they still about positive 1 over 2. Positive divided by negative, we have negative. We have 1 over 2 divided by number 0. So we have infinity. So we have negative infinity. So for this one is bigger than b over 3. So this one we have positive 1 over 2 divided by positive, we have positive. This one we have number 0. So the number divided by number 0, we have infinity. This is the end. Thank you for watching.